Ready for a challenge? It's time to push your limits and discover your potential. I want you to brainstorm 3 product ideas, quick, simple, and achievable. Think guide, checklist, or template, something you can complete quickly. Pick one idea, just one. Focus your energy where it matters most. Give yourself 7 days to launch it. A deadline creates urgency. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish with a firm deadline. Break it down: idea, write, design, upload, promote. Simple steps to success. That's it. Don't overthink it. Just take action and make it happen. Start writing the content. Let your creativity flow onto the page. Design something visually appealing. Make a lasting impression. Upload your creation. Share your hard work with the world. Promote it. Let the world know what you've achieved. Start today.